Friday morning. I have the day off today and I'm just gonna take you along for my day. I already went to the gym today. I didn't vlog that because you never know how the gym's gonna go, if it's gonna be really busy or really not. And basically I just wanted to make sure that I got in a good workout and I feel amazing now. I treated myself to a coffee from a local coffee shop. I literally, since I got the Nespresso, haven't gone to a coffee shop in weeks. So this is my first time in a while, but their stuff is so good. I feel like at least 50% of the time I do anything on my Instagram or YouTube, I'm wearing my robe. But it's cold and I needed to have breakfast before I fully got ready. So thought I'd show you guys my beautiful breakfast. This is a little tip for anyone who is gluten-free and also dairy-free. Breakfast gets weird, right? You can't have like cereals or pancakes and stuff easily, or even oats can get weird if you like oatmeal, and eggs, no go for me. So what I do, I take organic hash browns, and you could get hash browns from anywhere, but I like the patties for this specifically, but I try to get ones where the ingredients is literally just potatoes. Then I get guacamole. I get this brand, it's Holy Guacamole, and it's called that because there's nothing in here. There's no preservatives or anything in here. It's just avocados, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, lime juice, garlic, and peppers. And then I top it off with some turkey sausage and my favorite, this Siete hot sauce. I always want to call this chipotle, but it's habanero and it's very good. So I am just gonna do some skincare. Maybe I'll do like my tinted moisturizer this morning or something. I don't feel like putting on a ton of makeup, but shocking absolutely no one, last night I ordered some more skincare because I am pretty sure I'm about to run out of my favorite serum, and I'm kind of exploring new night creams right now, and I really don't know how I feel about the one that I got. So this is the one I'm trying from Fresh, and I thought I liked it, and I might still like it, but it's got a very strong scent for me, and I don't know if it's thick enough, you know? I feel like my skin is very dry right now. I am loving this from Naturium, and that is actually where I ordered some more skincare last night. So, re-upping on this serum, trying out another one of their treatments that I can layer on top of the hyaluronic acid. And then I also picked up their overnight intense cream or something like that. I'll let you know when I get it what I think, as always. Okay, I am just gonna do my tinted moisturizer. This is from Stay Beauty. This is a clean brand that I found at Sephora, and I really like this tinted moisturizer. I have the highlighter. I think I'll just put that on after. I'm actually just gonna pump this straight on the brush because I feel lazy today. So I take about 2 pumps because this stuff really will sink into your skin. It's not very full coverage, and it just kind of like evens and blurs out the skin for those days where you want something but not to do a full foundation routine. Just use this Laura-Lee L11 brush. I've never used it with this tinted moisturizer, but I feel like that buffed that in really nicely. Update on LYS Beauty. This lip treatment, it's called the Glossy Lip Treatment Oil. I thought it was just gonna be like another gloss that I was kind of like, I probably shouldn't have spent the money on that. I wear this every day. I love it. Look at this. Look at how glossy and nice it makes your lips look. Okay, I think that is makeup and skincare done for today. Big shocker, it is incredibly windy today. So I'm like regretting, like, why do I bother putting on lip gloss? Anyway, it's all good. So here's what we're doing. We're heading to Target. I realized, you know, you guys, I'm not the only one, okay? You get to a point where you're like, you look in your underwear drawer, or like, for me, like sleep shorts too, and you're like, when was the last time I bought these? Like, they're like strings like falling out, like the seams are completely undone, and you're like, oh, it's fine, I'll just keep wearing these. No, we are restocking, revamping, because it's probably been like, I don't know, like 5 years since I actually bought stuff. So going to kind of do a mini declutter on that, nothing major, and kind of restock my like sleepwear collection and some underwear, because, you know, you gotta re-up that stuff. Okay, let's do a little Target haul. Literally, I don't know what happened. I think I blacked out. Totally ran out of space in my cart. I'm that person that's walking through Target like this, like just like stuff falling out everywhere because I grabbed a bucket and not a cart. But that's okay. Let's go through this bag first, which is fun. This has the clothes in it. I was literally going to go on a rant in Target about how I've just been not interested in their clothes at all until literally I walked down this aisle and I was like about to whip out my phone and be like, I just haven't been into Target's clothes this year. And then I added like 3 dresses to my cart and like a sweater, and yeah, so here are the things I picked up. I love Target's easy basic dresses so much. Now, I didn't get to try these on, so I do have the receipts. I think I'll do a little try on haul in here for you guys so you can see how they fit. But this purpley color is so beautiful. This dress is like a tank v-neck dress, and then it's just like very loose fitted with like a little bit of a ruffle at the bottom. This is slightly more of that blue periwinkle color, but I'm just loving these tones. It's another v-neck with like thick straps. This dress has pockets, and it just kind of like bellows out at the bottom. You know, it's just kind of like an A-line dress. And it is this like soft ribbed cotton material. It's like, it's kind of weighty, this dress, but I think it's actually going to be really flattering. I know. I just cleaned out my closet. I just put all my sweaters away, but I'm kind of mad at myself for buying this. But look at how cute this sweater is. I don't have any sweaters this color. This is like a beautiful high neck purple sweater with like the beautiful piping down the front, and then the bottom has that detail along with the sleeves. So that's all the clothes that I bought for myself that I like went rogue on. You know, I was going there specifically to get some clothes, which I did get. I don't talk a lot about men's stuff or men's fashion on here. However, these pants from Target, they're like men's chinos. They're the same pants that Banana Republic sells for a ton of money. They look really nice on guys, and they can be dressy or casual. These are literally Charles's like everyday pants. Target has them. They're normally like between $25 and $30, but they never go lower than that. Today they were on sale for exactly $20. So picked him up, a couple new colors. Took advantage of the 5 for $20 deal on the, I think this brand's called Auden, on their underwear, and it's just such a good deal. So I really like more of like the seamless ones. I just find those to be the most comfortable, and they have a lot of options there. I got 3 new pairs of sleep shorts. I have some like this from Target that are they're just like silky pajama shorts, and I love these. So I got a pink satin pair because that's very on brand for me. And then sticking with the theme of today's haul, this is like purple tie-dye almost. I love it. I got this pair as well. Oh, do these have pockets? These have pockets. This is almost like a cheetah print. It's very neutral and pretty with like the satin piping, and they do have pockets, which I think is very cute. And then the things that Did I need them? No, absolutely not. But I have to see if they work. And also, I will use them. Slash, one of these I actually didn't. Okay. You know the Heyday line at Target? That's like their tech line, but it's very affordable. They released a bunch of like what I can only describe as like kind of like content creation products. So I saw this, which is a phone tripod and ring light. I have been wanting to get one of these. We are going to test this out. We're going to do a little demo with it. And then, because literally I had to know the quality of this. This is a desktop mic. This is from that same line, also $25. I've looked into things like this because back in college, I took some like videography courses and things where I needed to do voiceover work, and I do some of that for these videos and for my real job and for reels and stuff like that. So the occasion arises more than you would think where I actually could use a desktop mic or like a USB mic, but I've never invested in one because they're hundreds of dollars. This was $25. It looks freaking adorable, very much my aesthetic. It's like sleek white, and yeah, I mean, it's compatible with Mac and PC, which is amazing because that means I can use it for both. I am so intrigued to know the sound quality of this, because if this is good, this is huge to be able to get this for $25 when, I mean, like the Blue Yeti ones are hundreds, and you can get them from Amazon for cheaper, but I really haven't seen one that I trust for under 50. All right, you guys, we are doing a mini mic test. This is sweater number 1 from Target. It is super cute. I love it. This first dress, I wasn't quite sure when I put it on. It does have pockets. It feels super comfy. As you can see, it's sort of a longer length, but when I put on the sweater, I loved it. Dress number 2, absolutely obsessed with. It's such a fun color. This one doesn't have pockets, but it's still super cute, and it works well with jackets. Okay, I gotta say, I'm gonna have to see in post, but I am loving this tripod. Regardless of the light, I don't even have the light turned on right now, and it is so much easier to film try-ons. Like, you guys can actually see the outfit, and I have you standing nicely in a spot. I love it. I mean, I could make the room better, but I think my butt's in the mirror. Anyway, tripod, definitely a win. I'm gonna voice over those last clips with the mic, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I filmed the Target try-on, and then I pretty much just sat on my phone for like, I don't know, probably like a half hour. I'm supposed to be having a very productive day, but I've been keeping a secret from you this whole video. This house is a disaster. So I'm going to, I think, like, turn on some music and just clean, do like as much as I can in like 20 minutes, just like clean everything up, and then we'll feel a little bit better, and then I might get to some like meal prepping stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta pack for tomorrow. Yeah, so I still have lots of things I need to do today before Charles gets back from work. So I've ended up back in bed because I really have no excuse. I did get the place pretty clean. It's looking a lot better. I feel much less stressed. Got like all the random clothes that I have bought over the past couple weeks finally off of the floor and into the laundry basket, so that's good. I was going over my to-do list for today because I had a lot of things I wanted to get done, and honestly, I've done a lot of them. So I'm happy about that. I just need to pack for tomorrow. I also need to prep some food for that because I got all my food restriction. I don't want to say food restrictions and have people think that I am not letting myself eat things. If you're new here, I have a bunch of food intolerances. So I lived the past 24 years being aggressively bloated every day and just overall not a good time, and I'm finally learning more about it, taking care of myself. So there's a lot of food nowadays that I can't eat because it makes me end up in pain. Literally, I become so physically uncomfortable. So it's just easier when I go places nowadays to make my own food. Okay, I'm about to head out the door, and I literally just made a list with a meal plan for the days that I'm going to be gone, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then a little checklist at the bottom for things that I not only need to pick up, but I also need to pack. So that's going to help me be a little more organized. Oh, I need to put oat milk. See, otherwise I'd be sitting here forgetting everything. I am back from the store. I realized I have not had close to enough water today. I haven't even filled this up. I haven't even been drinking this. But I thought I could do a little haul for you guys and show you what I picked up for this weekend. Getting my vase out because I got some flowers. Those were really pretty, and it was only $5 for a bouquet. I thought that's really, I don't know, felt like that was a cute little thing to find. I picked up some more oat milk so that I can leave this one here and I can take the other one. I really like this brand. Okay. And then you guys, these are my favorite chips. They are they're basically Pringles, but clean ingredients. This is literally just potatoes, salt, sugar, and white pepper. So it's a snack, it's a chip, it's not healthy, but way cleaner ingredients, and they are certified gluten-free. So I really like the classic. And then I saw that they had these, which is Outback Barbecue. This was still dairy-free and gluten-free, so I decided to try it. I like barbecue chips, so we'll see. I got a new guacamole because I normally like to have 2 on hand for a week. And I will probably take the one that I have open to the lake this weekend. So just in case if I forget it there or something, I've got one here. If you are gluten-free and you have not tried the gluten-free Oreos, you need to. And fun fact, Oreos, also vegan. Kind of wild. I picked up some rice cakes. I just realizing I got 2 different kinds. I got salt-free and also lightly salted. I feel like I use the salt-free ones when I make I'll put guac and then turkey on top and hot sauce and make that into a little lunch or a snack. And the salt-free ones are good, but I feel like Charles likes to just eat the rice cakes with stuff, and I feel, as a snack on their own, and I feel like lightly salted might be good for that. I got more of my wraps. I don't like to get them from this grocery store unless I'm in desperate need or lazy, because they are $3 more expensive at this store, but I did it anyway, and then I bought 2 packs because I'm completely out. So I'll be taking 1 with me this weekend and leaving 1 here. All right, you guys, it's officially much later, and I'm not gonna pack tonight. I'm gonna deal with it tomorrow. So I am going to wrap up today's vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more vlogs, leave it in the comments down below. Of course, like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos, and I will see you guys again very soon.